Namaste. In this video, we are going to discuss the chapter 6 Rural Administration. First, we have to understand what is administration. So, here one paragraph is here. There are more than 6 lakh villages in India, and if we see their needs, the needs are suppose water, electricity, road connection. So all these needs are not a small task. And again, the land record also one important work. And to maintain all these things and to look after all these things, one big machinery is needed to deal with this, and this is called the administration. So in simple, we can say that the administration means the management of activities or affairs of an organization or the public at large. So again, in this chapter, one story is given. Through this story, we will understand here two important administrative, that is, one is police station and second one is the maintenance of land record. So first see what is the police station work. So to understand this, one story is given here. So here you see one story is given, a quarrel in the villages. So here one village is given. So in this village there are two person mainly, and about their quarrel among themselves. So that here it is given. You see, suppose one person is given here Mohan and another person is given here Raghu. So they have a, you see, Mohan is a farmer and his family owns a small agricultural field. And next means beside the Mohan land, Raghu's lands also there. Suppose this is Mohan land and this is suppose Raghu's land. And to separate this and this, one line is given. That line actually called the band. And by this band, the both the land is separated. Now again see. So again see, person is given Mohan and Raghu. In one morning, what happened? Mohan noticed that Raghu shifted his band by a few feet, and means suppose this is a land, suppose this is Mohan land and this is suppose Raghu's land. This is Raghu's land. Raghu shifted the band little bit like that. So due to doing this, what happened? The Mohan actually, he was noticed that, and he finally actually surprised why the Raghu done this. Then he went to Raghu's house. See here, Mohan was angry but also a little frightened. Why? Because when he want to go to Raghu's house and give the complaint why the Raghu shifted his band towards the Mohan, he was afraid. Why? Because Raghu's family was actually, they have owned many fields, and beside also his uncle was what? Sarpanch. Sarpanch means in the previous chapter we have understand. So again see, but even so he plucked up courage and went to the Raghu's house. When he went to the Raghu's house, then what happened? Raghu actually started shouting at Mohan and beating up, and with his friend of the Raghu beating to the Mohan. And then Mohan, what happened? The neighbors, whatever neighbors are there, they come that place and taken him away from this commotion. Commotion means where the Mohan and Raghu fighting, and Raghu's friends also there. So then what happened? You see, he was badly hurt. He was badly hurt means Mohan's badly hurt, and he was given first aid, means whatever the primary medicine is required at the first time, that is given. And after that, what happened? They ran to the post office, and after that the post office suggested that they should go to the local police station. Local police station, you see, local police station. And why? Because they should file a report. What is the report? That Raghu hit badly Mohans. And after that they went there, and then what happened? You see. So again, when they went to the police station, then Mohan would go to the police station along with some of the neighbors. You see, Mohan went to the police station with his neighbor, and again say that what happened. Then now question is that what is the police station? So up to we have understand that Mohan and with his neighbor went to the police station to complain against the Raghu about that what that Raghu moved the van little bit a feet towards Mohan. So when they quarrel because of this, then Mohan was beaten badly by the Raghus, and about that they went to the police station to complain this. Then now question is that what is the police station? So police station actually every police station has an area, and that comes under a jurisdiction or control. Means suppose under a police station maybe 10 villages are, maybe 20 villages are there, like that. Means some area is covered in one police stations, and um, on this area, if any persons want to report about suppose theft, about suppose accident, about injury, they can report there, and according to that police will inquire and investigate and again take action also only within this area. Beyond that area they will not see, because beyond that area another police station will be there. So mainly the main duty of the police station is that, or the police is that, maintain the law and order of the area, law and order of the area. So here also it is said that according to that area they went. Mohan here, see in this picture, you see in this picture Mohan telling about the problem and to the police officer. But first time what happened, the police officer don't want to take the case. Why? The thing is that the police officer did not believe him. But when the neighbor said that, yes, badly hit by the Raghu to Mohan. So now neighbor insist on the police officer. Police officer means here name is given, you see. The police officer means the SHO. So SHO means, what is the full form of SHO? In your book is given. All of you just see. The SHO means this. Station house officer. When the Mohan said the information to whom? The station house officer. And with the neighbors, when they insist to take a case against the Raghu, then police officer written that and promise that. What promise given, you see here. One promise is given, you see. Finally the officer agreed, and he asked Mohan to write down his complaint and also told the people that he would send a constable the next day to investigate the incident. Means the station house officer, he will take the complaint and he will send one police, means one constable, to that place. To that place means where the Mohan quarrel with the Raghu, and to investigate one constable will be sent in the next day. So this is about the activities of the police officer. So in this way the police station within their area, they inquire the incident and investigate and then take action. So this is about the police station. So now next topic is that what is the maintenance of land records. So maintenance of land records also one big work come under the rural administration, because you see already we have understand that in the agricultural field Mohan land is there and Raghu's land also there. But question is that how we will know that, how we can identify this land is belongs to Mohan, this land is belongs to the Raghu. Maybe someone there, maybe someone should keep the record. So who will keep the record? So for that you see here, you saw that Mohan and Raghu were arguing heatedly whether the common boundary of the field had been shifted. Is not there a way by which they could have shifted this dispute in a peaceful manner? So are there records that show who owns what land in the village? So let's find out how this is done. So here you see line is given. You see line is given. here see this measuring length and keeping length record is the main work of what? Patwari. So now question is that what is Patwari? Patwari actually that person. Patwari actually that person who is responsible for recording about the length, and he is also known as by different name in different state. Means in some state he is known as Lekpal, in some state he is known as Kanongu, in some state he is known as Karmasari, in some state he is known as village officer. But what is the main duty? Main duty is that he usually has ways of measuring agricultural field, and this is the main responsibility of him. So here in your book also it is given that how he is named. So here see in this paragraph it is given the Patwari is also in this paragraph. You see the Patwari is known by different names in different state. In some villages such as officer are called Lekpal, in other Kanongu, and again see in this paragraph you see Kormasari or village officer, and each Patwari is responsible for a group of village, and the Patwari maintains what? Remember that, very important, the Patwari maintains and updates the record of the villages. And again see the map and the corresponding details from the register on the next page are a small part of the records kept by a Patwari. The Patwari usually has ways of measuring agricultural field. So how the Patwari actually maintain the record, and where he retain all these things, one example is given. To see or to understand this, let's see here one example is given. You see in your book page number 52, here one example is given. You see this is khasara. Khasara means actually this is a one record where actually the Patwari gives the information of us about our land, in which area how many land we have. All this record actually maintained by the Patwari. So here one example is given that Mohan and Raghu, how many land are there, what type of crops is doing, how many land are there, all these things is given here. So this is one example. And again this Patwari also maintain the scase. Scase means, you see here one scase is given, this is one case. So in this case you see case map, means suppose here one, this is some this land is belong to someone, maybe this land is belong to someone, maybe this land maybe someone belongs to someone, maybe. And again here some symbol also use. You see what is the meaning of symbol? You see boundary, well, grassland, kacha road, pakka road, and tree. So in this way the Patwari maintain the case map of the land of every villages, and in which direction all it is also given here. So students, so today this much, all of you just see this about police station and maintenance of land record. So in the next class we will discuss about little bit more about the tehsil. Tehsil, here one word is given, you see here in this tehsil. What is tehsil, or what is the tehsildar, and again what is the new law, what is the Hindu Succession Amendment Act 2005. This also we will discuss in the next class. So thank you.